Why is net rating so important to the basketball analytics revolution? Imagine trying to judge a team's performance just by looking at how many points they score or allow. It's like judging a book by its cover. That's where the story of basketball statistics begins. For years, basic stats like points, rebounds, and assists were the main way to see how teams and players did. But these numbers didn't tell the full story. They didn't show how efficient or impactful a team really was. Then came the analytics revolution. It changed everything. Instead of just counting points, analysts started creating new ways to measure performance. They wanted numbers that could compare teams fairly, no matter how fast or slow they played. That's when metrics like offensive rating and defensive rating came into play. These numbers measure how many points a team scores or allows per 100 possessions. Using possessions instead of total points makes the numbers more accurate because it adjusts for pace. Net rating is a simple but powerful number. It's the difference between a team's offensive rating and defensive rating. If a team scores more points than it allows per 100 possessions, its net rating is positive. That usually means the team is winning more games. It combines offense and defense into one score, giving a clear picture of overall strength. Because it adjusts for how fast a team plays, it allows fair comparisons between teams with different styles. In the past decade, teams that do well in the playoffs and finals often have high net ratings. This shows that net rating isn't just a fancy stat. It predicts success better than traditional stats. Coaches and analysts also use it to see how a player impacts the team. When a player is on the court, the team's net rating can go up or down. This helps evaluate individual contributions beyond just counting points or assists. Practically, net rating helps coaches decide who to play more or less. It guides how they build their roster by showing which players improve the team's overall efficiency. It also helps scouts understand how good a team or player really is when facing different opponents. Overall, the rise of net rating is part of the bigger shift in basketball toward data-driven decisions. It moves away from simple numbers to a more complete view of how teams and players perform. This change makes the game more strategic and helps everyone understand what really makes a team successful. That's why net rating has become such an important part of the basketball analytics revolution.